then Parichayavastha, then Nishpatyavastha. There are 4 stages. First is the Arambha Avastha. Look at your body and learn how to keep your body. Become aware of your body is Arambha Avastha. Ghata Avastha. Bring the mind and body together. Parichaya Avastha. Bring your intelligence which introduces soul to the body. Parichaya means introduce. Parichaya Avastha is, in that Avastha, your intelligence, pure intelligence, introduces soul to your body and the mind. ನಿನ್ನ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡತ್ತೆ, ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬುದ್ಧಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್